Hey guys, after the last video, I'm going to show you how to install mods on Minecraft. So, I already have Forge installed, so you just click installer for Forge, and then click the version of Minecraft that you have if you're on PC. This is a PC only guide, okay? And so now we go to... So now I'm going to search up Five Nights at Freddy's mods, and okay. So we are going to find a mod for Minecraft that changes Five Nights at Freddy's to Five Nights at Freddy's. And now we will see if this will work. Now you press download if you're in CurseForge. Then it takes, so go to your users file and to wherever your .minecraft folder is. So for me, it's like this. I go to users now. I go to unknown name. That's not actually the name. Then I go to the .minecraft folder. Then I go to mods. And wait, no, this mod that I was looking at, I just learned, based off of what it said, is actually a mod that is for an earlier version of Minecraft that I have. You have to be careful of that. It will not do that. So now I will have to narrow it down to my version, 1.16.3. And now we are okay, so we're no longer doing this. Wait, yes we are. It said there were results. There are not. But now we will look at Sonic the Hedgehog mods Minecraft. Oh, wait, right. Keyword 1.16.3. It's the latest version of Minecraft. Now, this isn't a mod that I think is good or safe. We will search up a more specific for mod. One that is actually good. And I will come back to you when I find one. If this works, so I found this Star Wars mod, and if it works correctly, you will get to see what part of the coolness of see that the modding works. Now, if this works correctly, we will have more than one moddings. More than Minecraft and Forge in the mod folders. And it's not. I don't think it's working. I don't think it worked. Did it work? I don't know. We'll have to see. So if it works, which hopefully it does, we will see it. Huh. Ooh. Okay, I may have accidentally made a mistake in the modding. In the modding process. Yeah, it's not gonna work. It's for an earlier version than I have. Okay, so now we're going to try Marvel Mods. Minecraft. And it's going to have to be 1.16.3. Hopefully this works correctly, and I don't end up doing a mistake, and something is gone. Never mind, I found it, and I'm sorry this is taking longer than you guys hoped. Let's see if this mod works. And again, it did not work. Okay, guys, you're not gonna see another mod today, but But now you know how to install mods on Minecraft. Hope you guys enjoyed. Bye.